Welcome home to this beautiful and unique 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath South Carolina Plantation house situated on a generous, almost half-acre lot. Inviting covered porch create a charming country curb appeal. Step inside to a bright, airy family room with high vaulted ceilings and an abundance of natural light pouring in through multiple windows. Stunning 3/4-inch white oak hardwood flooring flows through to the adjacent dining room. French doors off the dining room lead out to a spacious, covered and screened-in porch that overlook the lush fenced-in yard, the perfect outdoor living space for entertaining guests or relaxing on a warm Florida afternoon. Enjoy the large kitchen with all the stainless steel appliances, including built-in oven and glass cooktop, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. The separate in-law apartment is complete with its own kitchen, living space, cozy loft, bedroom, and a full bath. The roofs on both houses are less than 2 years old, and both AC units are less than 4 years old. Upstairs, the oversized master suite offers an impressive walk-in closet, ensuite bath with double sink vanity, and a private balcony accessible through a pair of beautiful French doors. 2 additional bedrooms in the main house share the second full bath, which also offers a double sink vanity. Located in beautiful Lake Mary, close to excellent local schools, walking distance to Seminole State College, and with easy highway access to the 417 and I-4, this home is definitely a must-see. Call today to schedule your private showing.